Right now, so let's go ahead and try to delete, the jobs. Um, all right, so we're actually gonna delete, not just the job, not just the record. We also need to, delete the file of the job, or sorry, the image for the job. You can see that this is, the image that we inserted in the last video. So we actually want to delete this right along with the record. All right, so the first step, as always, is to go to the routes and to just go down. Let me pick up this get right here. Let's paste this, so this will be delete delete dash jobs like that. All right, and right after this we need to go ahead and just copy the name of the function. So this will be delete dot jobs. So save this. So if we just go ahead to app, and if we go to HTTP, and if we go to controllers, and if we go to admins right here, if we go to the admin controller, let's paste this in. So yeah, let's go ahead and pick up any kind of function up there. So let's just copy this function, for example. Just go ahead and paste. Let's just cut this and paste right here. Right, so we should actually send the ID also, because we need to specify which record that we're deleting. So just save. And right here we will pick up some kind of ID, or we will pass in the parameter right here. All right, so I want to delete, well, first of all, let's delete this first, and I want to go right here, delete job. So this will equal the job model right here. We're gonna go find the ID. All right, so after finding the ID right here, we should delete the image first, and then we will delete the record. So for deleting the image, we should go to the users controller, and if you try to look up update CV, control F look up update CV, you can see that we have this this part right here, which we actually picked up, I guess, in the last video or so. So we can pick up this part, copy, and this will allow us to simply just delete the file or the image. So we should grab the facade file for this. So all what we're gonna do, we're gonna go up there, and let's pick up, yeah, not a facade, it's just a class or something like that. So let's pick up this. Let's go right at the top, and let's use file right here. All right, so go down. So yeah, after we grab the ID, or after we grab all of the whole record based on the ID, we want to go ahead and go, if file exists, public path. This will grab the public path for our own project, and it's gonna go to the assets and then to images right here, and it's gonna go ahead actually and grab the image. All right, so if it exists, we're gonna go ahead and delete it. All right, so this what this means right here. So we also want to make this so it will go to the images folder, and we want to go ahead and specify this right here. So this will simply just allow us to delete the image. So right after we delete the image, I want to go ahead right here, and I want to go delete job, and I just want to go delete like that. All right, so this should delete this whole thing right away. So right after we delete, I want to go back once again to the jobs, to the display to the display jobs directory or a link with a delete message, something like job deleted successfully. All right, so save this. Let's go right here to resources, to the views, and if we go to admins, if we go to all jobs right here, we're gonna go ahead and copy this, and we're gonna paste. So this will be delete like this, and this will also be deleted. So this will show up the message for deleting the. So let's just save this right here. All right, so let's refresh this. All right, so again, here is the record. We're gonna delete the thread record actually. All right. Yeah, so we did not even like specify the route for these, because we have to specify the route if we're gonna delete it, you know. But you know, if we look right here at the record, you can see that we have the image name, and as I showed you, we have the image right here in the public folder. All right, so we want to just go to it. It's right here. Yeah, job underscore logo underscore 4. It's the same as this one right here. So yeah, let's go ahead, all jobs, and let's go down at the bottom, and let's just go ahead right here, and let's pick up the route right here, delete dot jobs, I guess that the route. All right, so it's delete. Let's, you know, copy and paste. So there we go. If we just go right here, and we need to pass in the job so we can actually delete it, the job ID, of course. So save. Let's now go ahead and refresh. All right, so again, let's go ahead and optimize this thing, our bootstrap files. All right, so refresh. All right, so if we hover over this right over here, you can see that it's down in the bottom. It's giving us some kind of ID. So we want to delete the third record. Click delete right here. All right, so undefined variable, create jobs. All right, so create should be delete job like this. So just save. All right, refresh. All right, so attempt to read property image null. So it's possibly, this error is possibly happening because we already deleted the image, so we cannot find it anymore. And because, you know, the record now is deleted actually. All right, so as you can see, the image is actually deleted. We cannot find job underscore logo underscore 4. All right, so it's working perfectly actually, so don't worry about it. We go right here, and if we click browse, you can see that the record now is gone. So yeah, it's working perfectly. So I want to go back, refresh this. You can see that, you know, this is the record is gone. So yeah, it's deleting. All right, the only problem that we have when, you know, go ahead and delete, it was just, we were just checking for another variable right here, which was wrong. So yeah, this will be all, and I will see you on the next video. Well, possibly, yeah, possibly we'll need to work with this thing right here of the request of the last video, you know, that I left. All right, the request for validating, you know, creating the jobs. So all we're just gonna do right here, you know, you can if you have been following along, you can actually skip this part if you want, because all what we're gonna do is just copy and paste. You know, we will just make this required, like you know, I'm just gonna copy and paste all of these things right here, and we're just gonna pick those down at the bottom and just paste them up there. That's actually all. And yeah, something else that we want to do is actually showing let's see, showing the messages. All right, if the user left anything, any input, you know, that's not you know, he did not enter any kind of data. All right, so this is description right here, and let's see, responsibilities. Let's go ahead right here and go education experience. Other benefits right here. All right, category. Let's copy this one more time, and this is simply for the image. All right, so this is all. Actually, let's save this and let's go right here. If I go to create dash admins, I want to copy this and we will paste it like multiple times. Let's see right here. If we go to create dash jobs, we want to paste this, and this will allow us to see the error message if this guy did not, enter his own and enter any data, in any one of those inputs. So let's just go right here and paste. All right. So I want this to be actually not success. I want this to be something like error or something. All right. So alert. Yeah, should be danger. Right. This is the right word. All right. So let's paste this right here and right here. Let's copy it, and also paste it down here. All what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the name and we're gonna paste right away. So let's copy this once more and right here, and also paste it right here. All right, so if we just go right here and paste right here. All right, so all right, so we also need it right here. All right, so this is taking too long, because this form is huge. All right, so let's also paste it right here. Can speed up the video or something. I mean, if you're still following along, paste right here also. So what we need now is we need to copy and paste the name, and this will be over. All right, so this will be category right here, and this will be other benefits right here. And this will be education experience. All right, and this will be responsibilities. And this will be job description. This will be education design, and this will be the gender. And this will be the salary. All right, and this will be the experience right here. And this will be vacancy, job type, all right, so company right here. So this is job region. So I guess that we finished this whole thing up finally. Let's now save this whole thing. Let's now go to create jobs. All right, so let's go down at the bottom and let's not enter any inputs, and let's click save job right here. All right, so as you can see, the job title is field is required. So yeah, as you can see right here, it's being displayed in red, which is great. All right, so this will be all, and I will see you on the next video.